Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Travel and Visa. This is the all of this information for Palestinian territories who got the passport, so you can get 36 destination visa free. You don't need to visa. This including, you can see all of this screen here. So including my country is called Bangladesh. So including all of this country, they give you the visa on arrival. So you can go to their airport, they give you stamp and electronic visa. This country visa online, including the Albania, Europe, all of this country, they give you the visa online. If you have any question, just comments below. Visa required, that means you need to physically attend on a visa office or consulate office. All of this country you need to physically attend and require documents. All of the documents is normal. All of these documents you have to show them. If you have any question regarding your travel and visa, please hit the like and comments below. I will give the answer. Thank you so much. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum.